Having a mentor was sort of like having like a fairy godmother in a sense.
I really like being a mentor because to me it's developing a sense of community for the students who are participating as mentors, but it's also developing a sense of community for the mentees who are coming in the program.
For me as a teacher, being in touch with youths and understanding them more benefited my professional life as well, because she opened my eyes to so many things. So it's like, I don't know who's mentoring who, but I thought it was such a moment of growth for both of us.
My mentor, knowing that she was a girl, like it was like, that was my big sis. Like she gave me all the information I needed. The space is so open for you to discuss your thoughts and your concerns.
You already come in a situation where you don't see yourself, so being able to have representation is really what's gonna close the gap between communities.
It was not something that just only benefited the mentees. I think all of us mentors really had something to learn from these youth as well. I would definitely encourage others to become mentors.